Good evening, this is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. The Jamaican dollar closed at its strongest in more than 17 months at the start of December. Trading ended with the U.S. currency selling for $125.98. It's the lowest that currency has sold for since June last year. The Canadian dollar is selling for $98.60. The pound sterling is going for $169.09, while the euro costs $150.95. Energy Minister Andrew Wheatley says Jamaica's energy requirement will need to increase significantly in the next few years to keep up with expected demand. Mr. Wheatley said an increased assessment will be done early next year to show the need.
By 2030, we are going to need approximately 440 megawatts of additional capacity. And so West and others who can assist and are looking to invest, opportunities abound going forward.
He was speaking today at the groundbreaking ceremony for the 200 megawatt liquefied natural gas LNG plant in Hayes, Clarendon. The plant, which is being built by New Fortress Energy, is expected to cost $265 million US.
Into the grid, and of course, that's just a part of it. 1/3 of it will be sold in steam, and it's being sold at a price that is fixed and is very low cost. And what that does, in simple terms, is it makes the plant very, very competitive.
The plant will add to Jamaica's efforts to diversify its energy sources. In 2 years, the country will have most of its electricity being generated from LNG or renewables. 2 years ago, almost all of the electricity was generated from oil. NCB Financial Group has acquired Bermuda-based wealth management entity Clarion Group. The company made the announcement on Friday, but did not disclose the purchase price. In a release to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, NCB said it acquired the majority, 50.1% of the entity. Portland Private Equity, which is controlled by NCB Chairman Michael Lee Chin, acquired just under 18% of Clarion. The rest, almost 32%, is being held by Edmund Gibbons Limited, the entity from which NCB and Portland Private Equity bought their stakes. The transaction had been approved by the Bank of Jamaica and the Bermuda Monetary Authority. Financial competition of the transaction is subject to approval of the Minister of Finance. CEO of NCB Financial Group, Patrick Hilton, says the acquisition will complement its wealth management operations as well as tap into the Bermuda financial landscape, which caters to high net worth and institutional clients. Now, stocks ended mostly lower today, but gains in the price of Scotia Group and Cable and Wireless shares helped the JSE index post a modest 281 points gain. The junior market, however, declined by 34 points. Among entities posting gains were Barita Investments, C2W Music, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Key Insurance, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Scotia Group. Now, the losers included Access Financial, Carreras, Dolphin Cove, Grace Kennedy, Jetcon, Kingston Wharves, NCB Financial Group, Paramount Trading, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.